Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing great. I think this lockdown situation gave us a good opportunity to learn, participate, and practice day trading. After watching my previous videos, few people came to me and asked how to start list these stocks for that day. And few people also asked for a tool which can shortlist the stocks for them for that day. So I came up with this tool called as Open Range Breakout Stock Selector. What this will do is this will shortlist the stocks for that day and add it into the watch list of our Zerodha. Why stock selection is very important is it plays a very key role. Like out of 100%, 80% importance is given to the stock selection. Rest of the 20% is about your technical analysis or fundamental analysis and placing the orders. So that's why stock selection is very important. In the last 25 days, it only gave one fall signal, and rest of the 24 days, it gave positive signals and minimum 10 points. Okay, let's quickly check how it works. Now we need to double click the Chrome custom bat file. It will open a browser for us and we need to log in into our Kite Zerodha. The main purpose of this browser is we are not going to use any APIs here. We will be taking the data from the browser, and this .txt is the file which will be shortlisting of our stocks for the day. What this will do is first it will scan through all the stocks and add those stocks into the watch list file. Okay. So if there are any previous days stocks in the watch list file, it will clear off all those. For example, let's quickly add few stocks like SBI, HDFC, Reliance, Bank Nifty, July, and run the tool now. So what it will do is it will clear out all the previous day stocks which are listed in the watch list file and adds today's stocks to that list. Okay, so it listed out Toronto and HS for HR Motors for today, and it automatically added it to the watch list file. Okay, from here onwards, you need to trade it manually. If you see this, it will give you the stock name, date, buy, sell, place order, at, and the stop loss. Okay, let's minimize this and open the stock and check how it performed today. Okay, this is Toronto on day 24, which is date 24th. If you see that, it's a 1 hour breakout, and we placed the order at this second candle's bottom. And if you see the trend of the day, it totally went down, which means you can place the order and forget it. Let's quickly see how much profit we made. So we are starting here and made around 23 points. And let's quickly check how much loss also we made. So it's 12 points, which is half of the max profit we can gain. So the same way, let's check for the HR Motors. So HR Motors, it didn't take any calls because even though a open range breakout means up and down, it should break up or bottom. But our tool will precisely say which side we need to trade because to avoid the false breakouts. So it said place a buy order. So, but it didn't break on the buy side, so we left the trade for HR Motors. Okay, so that's how this tool works. Let's quickly close this tool and open the code format of this tool and run the backtesting for a couple of days, like a previous couple of days. We'll see the results. Okay, so I'm running the scanner for 23rd. Okay, so let's see what all these stocks got added for 23rd. So it automatically again cleans the watch list file. So let's wait a second till it adds the stocks. It only added a Kotak Bank for that day. Let's see the results of Kotak Bank. Before checking this, let me quickly close this one and run the script for 22nd also so that we can check those results also. Okay. So I'm running it for 22nd. It's running in the background. Now let's check the results of the Kotak Bank on the 23rd. So if you see that it's clearly uptrend on this that day. Again, let's measure how much profit we made on that day. So yeah, we made around 29 points there, and the stop loss is kept around 6 points, which is very minute, and clearly reached our targets. Like I generally keep a points of 10 points as a profit on the target. So yeah, that's all. Like it's still running for the 22nd day. I think the list is very big. So in the meantime, I'll show you this Excel. This is how the Excel, the date on which like the signal is generated. Next, it will have the stock name and buy order or sell order, whatever the call type is, and the order at which we need to place the order and the stop loss. Okay. I'm attaching this Excel sheet in the description. It's a Google Drive link. Uh, Validate our backtest till the last 1 month. So here are the results for 22nd. Now we got three signals from that day: HDFC, and Infosys, and HDFC Bank. Sorry, Kotak Bank. So for Kotak again, so it slowly breached the signal. Let's check for Infosys. Yeah, it's a clearly one-sided trend. And again, let's check for HDFC Bank. Oh, before that, let's measure what's the profit. Because I generally don't trade like if a breakout happens late in the day, I prefer like immediate breakout. So I took this one. Yeah. And HDFC Bank. So again, it's again downtrend, but not as expected. It gave only 4 points. It didn't reach 10 points, and it's the loss is 8 points. But even though we didn't hit the stop loss, we ended up around 4 points, I think, 4 or 6 points. Yeah. Okay, let me check that also. Okay. So now let me quickly run the backtesting algo. So this is to just show like people that the results in the Excel are not the fake ones which are filtered out after the market. This is the script which you are seeing is running. It's backtesting, printing out all the signals which we got in the last 1 month. So guys, like this is about the tool. Try utilizing this tool. Contact me using my Telegram channel. The channel link. I mean, it's not a channel. It's a personal message. One-on-one chat. So try using the link provided in the description in Telegram. The main purpose of this video is to encourage the people to come up with their own strategies, and if you are very confident and if you have tested your strategy very well, we can automate it and get benefited out of that one. Okay. I will also keep making couple of videos on similar lines, which will also, I mean, so many people are asking, give a demo on how technical indicators work or how they can be done. Few people asked for pair trading, and few people want to watch the bank nifty futures and place the orders in the options. All those will be covered just as a sample, just to show you guys like what can be done using these tools. So keep following guys, like subscribe, like, share. Thank you. Have a great day. Keep safe. Stay home.